What if I told you there's a golden key to unlock a healthier, more vibrant you? A secret that could help calm the fires of inflammation inside your body, possibly easing joint pain, supporting your heart, and even boosting your brain power. What if I told you this amazing secret isn't locked away in an expensive lab or a complicated medicine? It's probably right there, in your kitchen cabinet, waiting to be discovered. We're talking about a humble, brightly colored spice that has been honored for thousands of years, not just for its taste, but for its deep healing powers. This is the story of turmeric, the golden spice that holds the power to change your health from the inside out. Today, we're going on a journey together, a journey to the heart of one of nature's most powerful gifts. We'll pull back the curtain on this ancient remedy and explore the cutting-edge science that proves what old cultures have known for centuries. Maybe you've sprinkled it in a curry or admired its rich, earthy color, but have you ever truly understood the power you hold in your hands? The modern world is full of health challenges. We're constantly bombarded by stress, environmental toxins, and processed foods that can create a state of chronic, low-grade inflammation in our bodies. This internal fire, often silent and invisible, is now linked to almost every major chronic disease we face today, from heart disease and diabetes to arthritis and even Alzheimer's. But here's the good news, the empowering news. You have the power to fight back. So how does this humble golden spice actually do its magic? The secret lies in its main active ingredient, a powerful substance called curcumin. Curcumin is what gives turmeric its bright color, but more importantly, it's a strong, natural anti-inflammatory. It's the superhero hiding inside the spice. It all starts with a master switch, a molecule inside our cells called NF-kappa B, or NFKB. You can think of NFKB as the fire chief who sounds the alarm and sends out the inflammation troops. What curcumin does, and this is truly amazing, is that it blocks NFKB from being activated. It basically goes into the fire station and calmly tells the chief to stand down, stopping the alarm from even going off in the first place. Now here's a super important piece of the puzzle you need to know. Curcumin, for all its power, has one little challenge. It's not easily soaked up by your body all by itself. If you just eat plain turmeric, a lot of that wonderful curcumin will pass right through your system. The secret is to pair turmeric with black pepper. Black pepper contains a compound called piperine. It boosts curcumin absorption by an incredible 2,000%. Piperine essentially opens the door for curcumin, allowing it to move from your digestive tract into your bloodstream much more easily. So, rule number 1 for unlocking turmeric's power is to always use it with a pinch of freshly ground black pepper. Another great tip for boosting absorption is to consume turmeric with a healthy fat source. This is why golden milk, a traditional Ayurvedic drink, is so brilliant. So, to recap the magic formula, turmeric plus black pepper plus healthy fat. Now for the fun part. How do we make this golden spice a yummy and regular part of our lives? Whisk half a teaspoon of turmeric and a pinch of black pepper into your morning scrambled eggs or tofu scramble. The color is beautiful, and the taste is subtle. It's a fantastic way to start your day with an anti-inflammatory boost. When you're cooking rice, quinoa, or lentils, just add a teaspoon of turmeric, a little black pepper, and a drizzle of olive oil to the cooking water. It will give the grains a beautiful golden color. The same goes for any soup or stew you're making. A spoonful of turmeric blends in wonderfully, making the flavor deeper and boosting its health benefits. Golden milk latte is a comforting and powerful way to wind down at night. Gently heat a cup of your favorite milk and whisk in half a teaspoon of turmeric, a pinch of black pepper, and a dash of cinnamon. Another great option is to add it to your smoothies. Make a golden dressing for your salads by whisking together turmeric, black pepper, olive oil, and lemon juice. You can sprinkle it over roasted vegetables like cauliflower, potatoes, and Brussels sprouts. As we celebrate the amazing benefits of turmeric, it's also my job as a doctor to talk about how to use it wisely and safely. While turmeric is a natural spice and usually very safe for most people, it's important to remember that natural doesn't mean it's right for everyone in every situation, especially in high, strong doses like those found in supplements. But if you're thinking about taking a curcumin supplement, that's a different talk, and you should always chat with your doctor first. One of the main things about curcumin is that it can act like a gentle blood thinner. But if you're already taking blood thinners like warfarin, or even daily aspirin. Taking a lot of curcumin could make you more likely to bleed or bruise. Turmeric can make your gallbladder produce more bile. When you buy turmeric powder, try to pick an organic and trusted brand if you can. Listen to your body. It's the best guide you have. We've been on an amazing journey today, exploring the ancient history and modern science of one of nature's most powerful healers, turmeric. We've seen how this humble golden spice can help fight silent, chronic inflammation. The knowledge is now in your hands, but knowledge is only potential power. True power comes from action. I want you to see this not as another health rule to follow, but as an invitation. An invitation to reconnect with nature's wisdom and to take an active role in your own well-being. It's about the small, consistent, positive choices you make every day. Adding a pinch of turmeric to your morning eggs, stirring it into your evening soup, or enjoying a comforting golden milk latte. These are small hinges that can open big doors to greater vitality and resilience. Start today. Go to your kitchen, find that jar of turmeric, and look at it with new eyes. See the thousands of years of history, the powerful science, and the promise of a healthier you packed into that golden powder. Make a commitment to try just one of the ideas we talked about this week. Observe how it makes you feel. Pay attention to your body. Your health is your greatest treasure. By choosing to nourish your body with anti-inflammatory foods like turmeric, you are making a powerful investment in that treasure. So I encourage you, I challenge you to embrace the golden path. Let turmeric be a symbol of your commitment to yourself. Take this step and then another, and watch as you build a brighter, healthier, and more vibrant future, one golden pinch at a time.